Hello friends, this is Sunil sir. Today I am going to teach you program to check if number is prime or not using factors count method. Now what is basically a factors count method? So let us assume my number is 12. So the factors of 12 are, as I showed you, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now count how many factors are this. So when I count, they are total 6 factors. Okay. Let us assume the other number is 11. How many factors are there for 11? So for 11 we have only 2 factors, 1 and 11. So those numbers who have only 2 factors, they are known as a prime numbers. Okay. Understood this much? The numbers that have only 2 factors are actually a prime number. So what I have to do is, already I have done the factors program. So what I will do, I will calculate the total number of factors. I will count the factors. And then in the end I will check if there are only 2 factors, then it is a prime number. Otherwise it is a composite number. Okay, got the logic? Now let us try the program. So I take a new file, prime 1. Why prime 1? Because this is the first method of checking whether number is prime or not. Okay. So I am opening editor. You can do it on BlueJ or any other editor will help you out. Okay. So program to check if number is prime or not using factors count method. So I'll take input from the user. So import java.util.scanner, then class prime1. I'll take main, public static void main, string arg. Okay, now I need one number from the user. So n I have taken, and then I need a loop, so I is taken. Other variables I will take later on as and when required. I am taking scanner, so scanner sc equal to new scanner. Remember, scanner ka s should be capital and systems s should also be a capital. Now I'll ask user system out println enter number. So what user will do, he'll enter a number. I'll take that number in my variable n. Okay, now I am writing plain factors program. Then I will improvise the program to get the desired result. So I am writing for I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. The loop will go from 1 to n, and first what I will do, I will simply display the value of I. Okay, this is incomplete program. When I compile this program, there is no error. When I run this program, void main, it is asking me a number. Let us assume number is 12. So it is showing me all the numbers from 1 to 12. Okay, understood this much? Now I don't want to display all the numbers. I just wanted to display the factors. So for that, what I'll do, I'll check before printing that if my number is divisible by I and remainder is 0, then and only then you display the numbers. So if I make this change and compile the program, it is compiling successfully. When I am running the program, I wrote number 12. So it is not showing all the numbers from 1 to 12. Now it is showing me all the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. After this, I need to count the factors. I need a counter here. So remember children, whenever you wanted to count anything, you need a separate variable called C or count or anything you can give. For example, I give name count. So count is initially 0. Count is initially 0. So count variable is taken and initialize it as a 0. Now where I will increase the count, where I will count the things. So here I am printing the things. I am printing the factor. So while printing only, I will go on counting also. So after each and every print, the count will increase. Now this loop will go on and on and on till the last number. Okay, till n this loop will go. So what I will do, after the loop I will check if what, if my count is 2. As I told you, prime numbers have only 2 factors. So I'll check if count is only 2, that simply means what, the number is prime. So I will display the message system out println n is prime. Otherwise what I'll do, I'll display the message system out println n. If it is not prime, it is which number? Yes, it is composite number. Okay, so my program is done. When I compile, there is no error. When I run the program, void main, if I am writing 12, so showing, the system is showing me 12 is composite number. Let me try any prime number. Our number is 31. 31 is 100% prime number, so it is showing me 31 is prime. Even it is showing me the factors of 31, which if you don't want to display, you can comment it. Okay, you can comment this statement, so the factors will not be visible. It will do what? It will only display whether the number is prime or composite. Take this program, children. Yeah, take this program. You can take a screenshot as and when required. Okay, so that's it for today. Once again, this is Sunil sir. Thank you so much for being here.